I bought a new lawnmower right behind me here. It's got 18 horsepower and I haven't really figured out what to do with it yet, but today I'm gonna clean it. So enjoy.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play to hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever
This is my new project lawnmower, but it's extremely slow. So we're gonna make it faster today. At least try to. It's a MTD RS180 with 18 horsepower Tecumseh Formula engine. Electric start. Nice. This is all my other builds have some full starters. Yeah, the pitbike, but that's not really a build. But the pitbike has electric start. Really nice with electric start. Anyway, it's extremely slow, and we're gonna make it faster today. So let's get back to the shop. You don't quite run right. I wonder why. We're also running out of battery here. It makes it quite difficult to start. I wonder what's the problem. However, this is what we made. A little finger that this part here is bolted onto that original part. So we can use this as a throttle, and we disconnected this.